going on here?
My Bible.
You know God?
Oh, Jesus.
What's your problem? What's all this? What's going on?
My offering. Wait, oh. Are you sure this is not the devil's gimmicks? Just so I will miss church this Sunday morning. Eh? Devil is a liar. Or could it be a sign that I should stay back at home?
You got the point now.
I know. This is the devil's plan.
Appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́ oníbù ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá gbọ́pẹ́ mi.
Church gate. I enter. 200 will change you. Madam, why are you coming down now?
I know they go far.
Eh.
Yes, sir.
God bless you, my people. Happy Sunday.
I beg, we change you, I beg.
Driver,
Yeah?
stop.
Madam, what's happen?
I forgot something.
You hope no problem.
No problem, sir.
God bless you.
Officer, no be me get phone. After all, I just say no dey check person phone.
I na your papa. Even though na commissioner of police, I go see. Be like say you never know me. Open that phone now. Everybody, calm down. Officer, please. I'm late for church this morning, please.
Okay? I said calm down. Everybody outside.
So you mean say you don't trust me now?
No be say I don't trust you. Now the business now no trust.
Okay, sir. I am late for church this Sunday morning. Please let me go.
Okay, what's in your bag?
There's nothing inside this bag. It's just anointing oil and the mantle.
We are open it.
Okay, there's nothing inside my bag.
Okay, open your bag for me. Now you dey delay yourself. Okay, open bag for me.
Okay, you take.
Okay, the body go surplus here. Oh.
Give a slap, make you do your work. Okay, no, you search the bag now. There's nothing
Give me.
there.
Did I ask you?
Nothing too bad. Jesus.
What's he gone?
Okay.
Fire him. Arrest that man. Gone.
Okay.
Come. So you be criminal.
Okay, it's not my
You be criminal. Put the guy inside motor. Move.